Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram highlight music not working. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are experiencing issues with Instagram music feature not working properly in your highlights, then you can try some of the troubleshooting steps. First of all, ensure that your Instagram app is updated. So, open up the Play Store on your mobile device. On the search bar, search for Instagram. If you see any update option where I have opened, tap on update option and update your Instagram application. After that, go and check if your music is working properly on your highlights or not. If not, check if Instagram has permissions to access your phone's media and storage. For that, open up the settings on your device. Then tap on apps. Then tap on Instagram. Once you land on app info page of Instagram, tap on permissions. Here, make sure that you have allowed permission for phone's media and storage or photos and videos. If all the necessary permissions are enabled, then check whether the issues have been solved or not on your Instagram highlights. If that's not the case again, then you can try clearing the cache and data for the Instagram app. So again, open up the settings application, then tap on apps. Again, go to Instagram. Here, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. That will clear all the junk file of Instagram from your device, which will help you to solve the issue. Head back to Instagram and check whether the problem has been solved or not. If not again, then you can simply restart your application or uninstall the application from your device. Uninstall the application and try installing it again from the Google Play Store. Once you have a fresh installation, then log into your Instagram account. Then your problem should be solved. And that's how you can fix the Instagram highlight music not working problem. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.